Ethereum is testing a key resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on Ethereum, we have successfully broken above a very crucial resistance point here at 1278. In my previous videos, I mentioned, of course, the fact that we would be looking to see a retest on this level and then a possible pullback opportunity for that continuation. And as of right now, that theory is still valid. We have gotten a clean breakout above, but we are starting to see multiple rejection candlesticks on the 4-hour, as well as the RSI is in the overbought territory. Of course, if this does lead into a pullback, we can't break below this level right here around the $1,200 mark because of the fact that this level acts as a very strong support zone for Ethereum. I would be expecting a nice pullback opportunity like this and then the continuation, of course, from the bullish case scenario. But if we do find support and actually start to consolidate at this level, we could be looking for a massive move on Ethereum. You can see from previous price analysis, pretty much from this 1518 level, we had a massive move to the downside and a very large consolidation zone. We are still in this consolidation zone, of course, just because we are now entering back into the 1331. It is still a little too early to say whether or not this is a massive bullish move or just another bull trap and that continuation. Of course, if we did somehow get above that 1421 and then find that support, that obviously would be the validating point where we could say, yes, Ethereum in the short term is looking for a massive move to the upside. Now, I did want to talk about the bearish case scenario because if we do see a clean break below these exponential moving averages, that would give us the confirmation that this was just another fake out opportunity on Ethereum and then the continuation to the downside. Of course, as of right now from the bullish case, we are seeing multiple retests on these exponential moving averages as support and a beautiful slow climb to the upside. This is exactly what you want to see in an uptrend. But of course, if we do see a strong bearish engulfing candle, kind of like what we saw over here, that would invalidate the whole move set. Looking at the hourly time frames, you can see that Ethereum is still right above these exponential moving averages, but we do have a BART formation on the hourly. You can see that this move pretty much was a beautiful fake out. We are starting to see that same consolidation that we expect in terms of the 1 hour. So we could be expecting a move going right back to that $1,200 mark, which also acts as a very strong support on the 4 hour. There is quite a few confluences, of course, on the hourly time frames leaning towards that $1,200 mark. So if you are looking for some sort of position, maybe wait till we hit that 1,200 mark and then see whether or not we consolidate at that level. From a bullish case, of course, we would look for something like this where we actually retest these highs, have a nice pullback at the 1200, find that consolidation, and then the continuation. If we do have that opportunity from the bearish case, of course, and we do find that consolidation, but we see a break instead, then that would give you the confirmation to be looking for that shorting opportunity, possibly back down to the $1,000 mark. Now, guys, I just wanted to explain something to you, of course, is the fact that I am not saying that this is the bottom of the trend, right? I am still looking for that bearish case scenario to play out around the $1,000 mark, if not the $700 mark. But right now, Ethereum was in a very oversold condition. You can see that we had this massive move from all the way up here around the $1,600 mark after the FTX insolvency, and there was a ton of over leveraged shorting positions. Ideally, I mentioned this in many videos that we could be expecting a nice short squeeze and then the continuation. So play very close eye on how this 1421 level plays out. If we do see one last bullish engulfing candle and then we start to see that area of resistance, that would make for a beautiful shorting position all the way back down. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.